Okay, we're going to run through a few of the questions that we had. I've recreated them on the board. For numbers 37 and 38, they want you to solve for x given this. So this goes back to our area formulas that we know. So for triangle, for example, the area of a triangle, the formula for that is 1/2 base times height. So this is what area is equal to. If our area is equal to 42, then what is 1/2 of the base times height? Well, 1/2 of this base, which is 1/2 of 2x plus 8, 1/2 of that times the height, which is x plus 3. And then we set that equal to the area from before. And we would multiply this out. I'll run through this one. Yeah, might as well. So distribute this 1/2 in there. I'll be left with x plus 4 times x plus 3 equals 42. Let's distribute this out. That'll be x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Oops. Plus 12 equals 42. Subtract 42 from both sides. And let's, can you guys still see down there? Yeah, I got one more line, I think. So that'll leave me with x squared plus 3x plus 4x. That's just 7x. X squared plus 7x. 12 minus 42. 7x minus 30 equals 0. I'm going to finish this one off. I won't work the other example all the way, but this one I'm just going to factor out. I need to have first set this up with x as my first term in them, because x times x will get me that x squared. Next, I need two things that multiply to give me 30 or negative 30 and add together to give me 7, 10, and negative 3 multiply together to give me 30, and they add together to give me 7. So these are the factors, and that makes it very easy for me to see that this is equal to 0 when x is equal to negative 10 and when x is equal to 3. Now, can we have negative 10? Is this solution? Is x equals negative 10, 3? Is this solution the negative 10? Is that solution a real solution? I mean, that would make this negative 7 tall and negative 20 plus 8. That would make this negative 12 wide. You can't have negative lengths. So, no, we're not going to use that one. This is the real solution. 3 plus 3, because, you plug in the 3 for x. 3 plus 3, that'll give us 6. That's our height there. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 8. This will be 14. So that'll give us our base length there. But x equals 3 is our real solution. Let you guys copy that down before I erase and make room for the next one. Next one, 38. Well, the formula for the area of a trapezoid is going to be base 1. So this is B1 right there. This is B2. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. That's the average of those two. Base 1 divided by base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. So my base 1 in this case, so first off, I'm given the area of our trapezoid. The area is 32. And in my formula, I will be dividing these two bases, x plus 6 plus x plus 2. I will be dividing that by 2 and then multiplying that by the height, which is given to us as x. So just simplifying this, let's combine like terms. X plus x is going to be 2x. 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. That's going to equal x plus 8 times x. Ooh, not 8. Because 8 divided by 2. That divides that, and it divides that. So the 2's cancel out, but the 8 becomes 4. And then you're left with this, which is just going to simplify down to, once you distribute this x back in, x squared plus 4x is equal to 32. Now to solve, subtract 32 from both sides. So that'll give us, am I too low? No, I still got one more line. 0 is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 32. Once again, we can factor this out and get some solution that will be to our liking, but I will leave the rest of this problem up to the user. You know what? This is actually a good opportunity to show you guys another example of factoring. So why not? Why not? I'll finish this one out for you too. I'm really giving you guys too much help on this stuff, but whatever. Okay. 0 is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 32. I'm just rewriting the problem. Well, I need two things. First off, I know what the first part's going to be. Leading coefficient of 1. This is just x. That's x. All right. Two things that multiply together to be 32. It's not negative 16 and 2, because that's negative 14 when you add them up. It's not, let's see. Well, let's see. If you divide it by 4, 32 divided by 4 is 8. Oh, wait a second. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32, but plus each other, it's negative 4. So it's not negative 8, it's positive 8. Positive 8 and negative 4. Because 8 times negative 4 is negative 32, and 8 plus negative 4 is 4. So once again, we have a non-real solution, or, non-practical, I suppose, and the actual solution right there, x equals 4, making this base 10, this base 6, and this height 4. Cool, that is page 100, numbers 37 and 38, all the way worked through. Let's keep on chugging. Next up, page 108. Number 14. Number 14, find the value of x and y that satisfy the equation. Let me give you the equation to start. Number 14 is 3x plus 6i is equal to 27 plus 1. y I. So what they're saying is solve for x to make this equation true. So that means this has to equal this. And this has to equal this. So for those of you guys who are like, is it really that easy? Yeah. 3x has to equal 27. So x is equal to 9 there. And 6i has to equal yi. Divide both sides by I. Y is equal to 6. So that is the solution to make this work. That's 108, page 108, number 14. Page 109, number 37. Write the answer in standard form. 3i times -5 plus I. This is a distribution problem. So we take this 3i, we multiply it there, we multiply it there. That's going to give us -15i plus 3i times I is 3i squared. So let me just reverse the order here because you'll see why in a second. 3i squared, remember, I is the square root of -1. I squared is the square root of -1 squared, which is just -1. So this is really 3 times -1 minus 15i, which will give us -3 minus 15i, which is the standard form that they want it in. They want the standard form for a complex number is going to be a plus bi, where a and b are both rational numbers. -3 is rational because it's -3/1. Minus 15 is -15 is rational because it's 15/1. So that's 109 for number 37, page 109, number 37. And just to clarify so that it's clear, this is the answer right there. Cool. That is it for the questions for today, which is the 16th of November. Thank you for them. Please send more my way. I'd love to do them for you. Bye. Cheers. Thank you.